How to add affiliate links on Tumblr post. First of all, open the Tumblr app and make sure you are logged into your account. From the dashboard, tap the pencil icon to start a new post. In the post editor, write your content as usual. Then tap on the link tool at the bottom of the screen. When you are ready to add your affiliate link, simply paste the full affiliate URL directly into the text box. Make sure your affiliate link starts with HTTP or HTTPS so it becomes clickable for your followers. Once you finish adding your affiliate links and content, tap Next and then Post to publish it on your blog. Don't forget to include a clear disclosure that your post contains affiliate link to stay transparent and follow Tumblr's guidelines. Now you know how to add affiliate links on Tumblr post. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.